Hello guys! I think you didn't expect to see another unboxing so soon, but as you see this, it maybe makes sense why. So as some of you may know, I'm doing some streaming on Twitch at What to 77. So as I got PlayStation 5 and Gran Turismo 7 for it, I want to stream it, but not through PlayStation alone. So henceforth, capture card. Oh, you're already coming out. Okay. Well, here it is. It's a small one. Like fits in my palm, pretty much. It's the card itself. There is an HDMI cable, I believe. Let me just. Yep, HDMI. And we get a USB-C. USB 3 Type A to C. Then we get some sticker. Amazing. And a quick start guide, I think. I think that's all there is to it. Yep, that's everything. So this was super fast, but here it is. This should be good for pretty much everything I want to stream on consoles, including Switch. Because I'm looking forward to the new, I think they're called Scarlet and Violet Pokemon games. So yeah, that's about it. Like and subscribe. See you around. Bye.